This video introduces the main components of the LINX 9810 and 9830 continuous inkjet printers. We begin with the printhead assembly. Inside the printhead are the nozzle, detection electrode, deflection plates, and ink return gutter. This complete black assembly is the printhead conduit. After opening the front panel, the ink and solvent cartridge connections can be seen here. The display and operating panel are located at the front of the printer. Inside the cabinet, this is the main control board, together with the related circuit boards. This unit combines the high-voltage power supply and the main power supply. The machine also contains a low-voltage power supply and an 11-volt power supply. Shown here are the flushing module and the air valve assembly. This component is the ink recovery pump. The pump shown here is the pressure pump. This section is the solvent management unit. The solvent tank, solvent cartridge sensor and wiring harness are located here. A cooling fan is installed inside the rear section of the cabinet. This is the air filter, which helps keep dust out of the cabinet. This connector is used for the printhead conduit. These are the encoder and power supply connections. The remaining connectors include the solvent pump and alarm light connections.